At the time we started the work, I told you I have photo of it, but I wanted us to include the manpower inside when they were working. But then you been asking me for photo. This is why I show you the one. There is the OP pen area. There is the OP pen area. Let me check and see the cleaning. When we started the work, that area. You see, when we started the work, here is side the people. When we started the work, hey, looking at it, so the area we used to put the whole menu, we'll clear that whole area. Right near the pantry area, we used to put that whole menu. We'll clear that whole area with hook. I think looking at it, that is the people. So the clinic going, it's going all the way behind. And we just started the work today. So the clinic is going. We started the work today. And these are the plantain. Okay. These are the plantain. And if you come here, you will see the other side that we planted some bitter. When you see also a pepper and bitter, it's not grass. Planted some bitter, pepper, all between here to keep the area clean. These are all planting and banana that we planted again after yours. So these are some of the weather going on. So we will take at least 4 days to do the entire cleaning of the whole pig area. This the old corn spot. Yeah, I see this is the old spot of the corn. Yes, it is the old spot of the corn. That is the old spot of the corn. You can see here is the old spot of the corn. Yes, maybe the area can be brush, but yes, there's the old spot of the corn. There is the old spot. Then when you turn around, you go to got the sacks. The sack was located to 2 different areas. This one is the one that was behind the OP pen. When I was behind the OP pen. Okay. As you can see, here is the entire area. There's the entire area. Here is the entire area. Yeah. Yeah, the pig have bust the entire area too. It's the entire room leading. This is the entire road leading from the OP pen going towards the storage and also the new people. Okay, you can see we are gradually moving. We are moving. You see the other hole here? They are bossing the entire area too. They are bossing the entire area. I'm outside the room of the pig. The whole area, they boss the whole entire area too. Yeah. I'm ready. Okay. There's the entire row. Okay. And you can see these are all animals. These are all planting. It's planted.